Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome to instruction day 3. Hopefully, the last 2 days of instruction have gone well for you. I'm learning this too at the same time as you guys, so I know it might be a lot, but just watch the videos, go through the motions, and just try to get what you can out of it. Okay, if you have questions about the stuff on the slides and the moves itself, I recommend going to Mrs. Olson for those questions, just because she is a veteran in this. All right, so for today, similar to the same setup. All right, this is how it's going to be for our self-defense lessons. I'm going to have this link here for the PowerPoint, and you guys are going to go through it for the YouTube videos. So today we're talking about punching and hand strikes. All right, so this is a video that just talks about all different kinds of hand strikes. All right, so it's 7 minutes. It's good info. I learned a lot during it, so watch that. And then we're going to go down here and talk about the lunge punch. Make sure you guys are watching and learning about the lunge punch, because this is one you're going to have to do for your assignment tonight. Okay, make sure you're taking good notes on that one, practicing that one. And then this one is the reverse punch, which you'll have to do as well for your video submission. So make sure you're really focusing your time on those two right there. And then we also have the knife hand strike to a block, the alternating knife hand strike, and then that is it for today. And then we'll just go into the assignment. So for the assignment, after you watch these videos, it's going to be 10 reps of the lunge punch and 10 reps of the reverse punch. All right, so do all 10 of the lunge punch and then do all 10 of the reverse punch. And then you're submitting that to Schoology by midnight tonight. Right, make sure you're taking your time learning the form. This is just our way of checking what you guys are getting, what you aren't getting. All right, so reach out if you have questions. Otherwise, enjoy your 3-day weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday.